like you to meet my friend, George Clooney. Yes, look at him. I just want you to just look at him. And to me, he's like the twin brother of George Clooney. Look at that face. Yes. You're friendly kitty. You're a talkative kitty, aren't you? You like to talk? Yes, you do. You always talk to me when I walk by. I wanted the jewels of George to be tapered, but the person taking care of him, apparently he was sick once and she took him to the vet, doesn't want the jewels to be touched. So we had this huge argument as to why it should be done and why it shouldn't be done. Well, why it should be done. But I'm waiting for the okay. I want her to give me the okay first. Yes. He's like, don't talk about my jewels. He's such a precious fella. He's a precious fella. Mm-hmm. You're not gonna go after the girls, right? Are you gonna promise me? Are you gonna promise me you're gonna settle down and marry Joshua, just like the real George Clooney? Huh? Come on. And he has a brother, and his brother is called Brad Pitt. I thought that was the best name for the brother. So, George Clooney, it's lovely to see you. Say hi to the world. Yeah, well, he's eating. We love you, George. George Clooney. You're a handsome fella. Come on.